Hey guys, Katie here. This is my 2021 Thor Coleman 22cm C-Class RV. It is based off the E350 Ford chassis with the 7.3 Godzilla motor. Before I do a walk around, one of the first things I did was I tinted the windshield and the front windows, and it is super private. So outside, one slide, we have our hot water heater. Propane tank, I think it's 40 pounds. It actually lasts a really long time. We have our Onan quiet generator. Never had an issue with that either. We have a tank flush, city water, water fill, TV connection, which I've never used, power. And then I will show you, this is probably a mess, fuel filler cap, sewer stuff here. This container is actually big. I have tools, all my sewage stuff, lots of spare parts, like zip ties. Back window, we do have a ladder. Also have an awning over the slide, which is really handy. Another full awning here, and there's exterior lights. I don't have speakers, but I don't know if I'd use them anyway. This is fridge, furnace. We have a plug. Another storage, which is super handy. I often keep laundry detergent and stuff in here. And paper towels. Doesn't get wet, which is nice. Let's take a look inside. So guys, I live in this full time. This is not, I did not clean it up. I did not make it all pretty and polished and fake for YouTube. This is what it really looks like. We have a dog bowl because, say hi Opie. He's gonna get his own video. He is my blind rescue that I got out of a puppy mill situation. Sweetest man ever. Say hi Opes. Right when you walk in, you have an extension for your kitchen cabinet or countertop, which is amazing. So this used to be a dinette. The dinette's actually on the bottom. I turned it into a lounging, sitting, working space. It works better for me that way. I can go into detail on how I did that in another video. I have a little plant. These are little moisture collectors. I have lights. There are pictures and stuff everywhere. Of course, we got some buffalo. Can't not have enough buffalo. This is my little kitchen. I cook my breakfast here every single day. That's a little backsplash I did. This is really handy. I put recipes here since the microwave's magnetic. We do have all my little magnets and stuff of where I've been. Controls here, so generator, start, stop, which even if I don't use my generator, I'll do that once a month to let it run for 15 minutes or so. Water pump, gas and electric water heater, and then we have our battery gauges. I'm sorry, propane, battery, fresh tank, black tank, which likes to read full no matter what, and gray. Pretty straightforward. I did add this. We have a little paper towel holder. Got some lights here. Little vent fan, which I have covered right now. And then these, cabinet lighting. Now, this is a mess, but this is real life living in an RV. So there's a little bit of a shoe storage problem. This is my TV and my stuff. Probably have to organize that a little later. Another moisture hanger, which I'll get into in another video. Up here, I can't really reach. The cable boxes up there. I keep some yoga mats and some cups and stuff. Here is the front cab, which I'll do another video on. I have my little privacy curtain up. Dehumidifier, we got a trash can, some water. There is a nice big drawer under here, which I keep like vitamins, dog supplies for Mr. Opie's. Under the dinette, I turned into storage. We have some dog toys, shoes, dog food. These cabinets are, actually, we'll go into those in another video, but there is a lot of storage space up here. There are also shoes everywhere. I have a shoe problem. Refrigerator, which is a nice size. And then here is the bedroom. That's about as good as I can get it to look. Anybody who's made a bed in an RV knows that it's like literally an Olympic sport. And this came with a TV mount, didn't have a TV, but I added one. I do love watching TV in bed. Nice that it has so many windows too. This is our overhead light, slide button, and thermostat for the propane heater, which I am actually surprised. I am good down to 25 degrees without freezing. After that, I have to supplement a little more than a space heater, but it works well. This is my closet, which you can actually reach through both sides, which is super cool. We have more food storage here. Under here is the water heater. What's nice is this panel, there are screws. This comes off. So when it's really cold, I'll leave that off, and then it doesn't freeze because it's inside. Bathroom with a million things hanging on it. We have more covers. I don't usually use this shower. However, I have, and I have really long hair and it works really well. I don't run out of hot water. We have a mirror, my bathroom stuff, and you'd be surprised, like this holds a lot of stuff. I downsized from a 1,500 square foot house and I am not missing storage in the bathroom. So, all right, that is our first initial walkthrough.